Good morning, dear student. This is your GK class, and today we will see lesson number 8, the famed cathedrals. Famed cathedrals are nothing but the famous cathedral which are very large, usually made up of stone. These buildings are used for Christian worship. These are the largest and most important church which are situated at district places. There are many beautiful cathedrals all over the world. Let us see some of them. Now this cathedral, the name of the cathedral is Notre Dame de Paris. It is widely considered as one of the finest examples of French Gothic architecture in France and Europe. So, these are the cathedrals which are famous for some or the other thing. It was among the first building in the world to use the flying buttress. So, this is the speciality of this cathedral. Then the second one is Nidaros Cathedral. This cathedral in Norway, and it is the largest cathedral in Norway, and it is regarded both as national shrine and as a coronation church. So, this is the speciality of the cathedral. Next one is the Santa Maria del Fiore. This cathedral, it is known for its enormous height, that is 502 feet long, 124 feet wide and 295 feet at the crossing. So, the height of the cathedral makes it as a famous cathedral. Next one is the Cathedral Notre Dame de Chartres. This cathedral is known for the majority of the original stained glass windows, and it is considered as one of the finest example of French high Gothic style. This is the Santiago de Compostela Cathedral. It is situated at Spain. It is one of the burial place of Saint James and Greater, who were the apostles of Jesus Christ. Next to it is Winchester Cathedral. This cathedral is the largest in England, and since most of the work was published after the death of the man who built this cathedral, so no one remember the man, that is Austin. He was buried here in the north aisle of this cathedral. Next to it is Saint Peter and Saint Paul, the Church of Saint Peter and Saint Paul. This is the cathedral interior view of the cathedral. It is the 6th largest cathedral in the world and 2nd largest cathedral in the United States. This cathedral is St. Basil's Cathedral. It is famous for its building design. The design of the building is shaped as a flame of a bonfire rising into the sky. The last one is the Hallgrímskirkja Cathedral. This towering ultra-modern take on a church is eye-catching. Its construction started in the year 1945 and ended in the year 1986. So, these are the famous cathedrals that we have seen in this lesson. You need to revise this lesson. Read this lesson 2 to 3 times Underline the words, the speciality of the cathedrals, and try to recall it. Thank you.